made it. We're on the highest point, Ascension Island. I didn't film anything coming up here because I'm hot, I'm nasty. This is my second shirt and I still sweat through it. But we're in a bamboo forest and this is the end of this trail. But we're going to go down Elliot's Pass and I want to take a lot more video on the way down. So let's go. Oh, it's much easier going down. Naval miscreants were supposed to have been forced to whirl this chain aloft as punishment if changing the electricity in the clouds might induce rain. So they had to come wave it over their head up here, try to get rain. Ascension Island. Well, we've been hiking about 2 hours?
Yeah. 2
hours. The hardest part's over for the day. Everything's either downhill or flat. So that's why I got the camera out, because I won't be huffing and puffing so damn much. You gotta check this out, it's pretty cool. What up, sheep? Where you going, buddy? Be the next wildlife I've gotten on this camera. Oh, check out the clouds just kind of swirling right there. If they come over, just kind of rode her over the top. Show us the way. You knew we had to come back. You're not even the prettiest thing I'm about to see. Still to this day one of the coolest trees I've ever seen in my life. I'd taken a picture the first time I came up here and everyone said that they really liked the picture of the tree. Now I got some video of it. On to the next hike. It almost gives it kind of a majestic look with the clouds just blazing past. You wouldn't know you're on top of an island. You just look like you're just kind of on a hill somewhere. These clouds. It's crazy. Oh, you can finally see the water.
Yeah.
Not on the camera, but it's about right there underneath my fingers, the horizon. Ton of ginger. And not just me. All right, so things we're gonna see. We'll get some shelled ginger, some fairy terns. We'll see some crabs. And then 3, 5, 6 tunnels. You can see all around Green Mountain. Let's go. So we got the obelisk coming up, and then I think the first tunnel will be right up here. Imagine having to lug this up here. 1840, Elliot Pass. Let's take my sunglasses off for this. Oh yeah, it's clear on the backside, dude. It's unreal. Immediately into another tunnel.
So those pine trees were put there for masts?
Yeah, for ship masts. Oh man, we got a tree that's fallen into the tunnel. That's pretty cool actually. Whoa. Hopefully they're not mad about an abandoned blue truck. What the heck are these? It looks like a pineapple tree or pineapple plant got off the ground a lot. But they're just like pine cones, but it's not a pine tree. Pineapples neither. Like the more and more it clears up, like the more I just keep learning to look this way. That's a weird picture with those things dangling and then the trail coming around. Not an actual tunnel so much as it's two rocks that are really close and like you can see up through it. Like seriously, how cool is this? This is so cool. Let's see what we got here. Ugh, and then back to clouds. I didn't miss it for laziness, that's key. This is just cool. Like imagine if you lived here, you can just come up here whenever you want, have cool picnics and stuff by yourself. I've been to some pretty cool places, but this has like a very unique factor as far as I can't take enough pictures to show people what it's like, which is why I bought the GoPro this time. But like, it's a whole nother planet up here. And I'm getting all hot and sweaty again because we're getting back into the humidity. Check this out. Like even the trail maintenance is outstanding. Some ginger flowers. They might have planted this stuff just like as a barrier so you don't fall off. Because now you don't know how far down that is. I feel super safe again. I'm afraid that these clouds are going to be in our way of seeing the island. You make it seem like I'm just up against a rock. And then so my job is better than your job, and this is why. Ooh, long tunnel.
Some good craftsmanship for 200 years ago.
I don't even see the end of this thing.
It's over there, I can see light.
Oh yeah, it's over here. Just kind of tacky. Not too bad. Whoa, was that a frog?
Was there?
I could have sworn something jumped out and was going across. My mind playing tricks on me after being in a dark tunnel. If you don't have a flashlight, you just kind of you're okay.
Yeah.
It's that or turn around, I guess. Now, this is I think the number 5 of 6. This one's nowhere near as long. And I think we come out back on the windward side of things. I mean, we're consistently turning right, so I mean, we're going around the thing. All right, so where's this view of? So there's this rock in our way. I bet that made a noise when it landed. They should just call it Ginger Mountain. I bet half the green up here is ginger, the other half's like bamboo and grass. All right, through the jungle. When you say weather's in the low 80s?
Yeah.
Wind chill maybe 79. Humidity right there at 100. Oh, now I know why these guys are coming up here. Whoa. I hope those aren't stinging nettles. Oh, hello. You scared the crap out of me. giant trees. And there's some of them that have fallen that are just kind of facing downward. But this is unreal. Like, we haven't seen this scenery at all today. These giant trees that were used for ship masts, since it was the halfway point and it was the only place you can get a mast replacement. But the trail just kind of keeps going. Well, we're done with the hiking trails. Now it's like a 2-mile walk back to the last tunnel, back to the truck. But it's all downhill now. Not a whole lot of sketchiness and a lot of clouds up there, but it was super fun. That was DuPont.